In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your Outlook password if you've forgotten it. So here's what I would recommend that you do. So instead of trying to do it on the app on Windows, I would recommend you open up a web browser and just type in Outlook. And we're going to go to the Microsoft Outlook website. So click on the first one and it's going to take you here. Now what we can do is we can click sign in the top right hand corner, and that will open up in a new window and prompt you to sign into Outlook. Now you may already have your email here. If not, type in your email in the email box. Now because we've forgotten our password, we're not going to be able to enter it in here. So we need to click here, forgot password. Now that's going to then take you to the next stage, where it's most likely going to ask you if you want to verify your account via email or a phone number you've got on file. Now, the options that you have may be different, but you can only use these options that you have here to verify. So I'm going to verify with my backup email, which I've got on file. So I'm going to click on this, and then I need to enter in that backup email. So once I've done that, I can click get code, and it's then going to send a code to my backup email that we've got on the account. Now, if you're having trouble with this, or the email isn't being sent, or you just don't know the email that you've got on file, you can go ahead and click I don't have any of these. And it's then going to ask you what Microsoft account you're trying to get back into and where should I contact you. So I'm going to type in my Outlook email here, and then you need to enter in another email where they can contact you. This needs to be a separate email from the one that you're trying to recover. You can then click on this text box and then just type in the CAPTCHA. Now they've sent me a code. So now they've sent me a code to this email. Now I'm not sure if this is going to work for you if they don't recognize your email as the recovery email. But in most cases, if you type in the correct recovery email using this form, it will send the code. For me, it just wasn't sending the code before, but now with this form, it seems to have sent it. So go to your email and then enter in this code. And now we can reset our password just like that. So I'm going to enter in a new one. So we'll enter the new one, we'll click save, and that should then update. So there we go. Now, this probably will only work if you have the recovery email on file. For some reason, if it's not sending the code though, go through the method that I've just showed you, and then you should be good to go. So now we can re-log into Outlook with our new password.